Good day, everyone. Today we'll learn how to write an essay, one of the most common writing tasks in school and English tests like the IELTS. An essay is a structured piece of writing where you present and support an idea or argument. It helps show your ability to organize your thoughts, use grammar correctly, and express your opinion clearly. Most academic or exam essays have four main parts. Number one is the introduction. This is your opening paragraph. You briefly introduce the topic and clearly state your main idea or opinion. This is called the thesis statement. Number two, body paragraph one, or the first supporting idea. Explain one reason that supports your thesis. Use examples, facts, or explanations to make your point clear. Number three is the body paragraph two, or the second supporting idea. Add another reason or point. Again, give examples or explanations. You can also add a third paragraph if needed. The number four part, or the last part, would be the conclusion. Summarize your main ideas and restate your opinion in a different way. Don't add new information here, just wrap up your argument. Now let's look at a complete example. Our topic is it better to study online or in a classroom? So here is the introduction. In recent years, online learning has become more popular than ever. Some people believe it is better than studying in a traditional classroom. In my opinion, studying in a classroom is still the better option because it encourages real interaction and provides a more focused learning environment. Here is body paragraph one. One reason classroom learning is better is because students can interact face to face with teachers and classmates. They can ask questions immediately and get help when they don't understand something. This leads to better understanding and stronger communication skills. Here is body paragraph 2. Another reason is that classrooms have fewer distractions. At home, it's easy to lose focus because of phones, family members, or noise. In a classroom, students are in a place designed for learning with fewer interruptions. And here is the conclusion. While online learning has benefits such as flexibility, I believe that studying in classroom is more effective. It helps students stay focused and develop important social and communication skills. For these reasons, classroom learning is still the best choice. And that's how you write a basic but effective essay. Remember, keep your structure clear, support your ideas with examples, use linking words like first, also, however, and in conclusion.